guys, today I'm taking you on an adventure. We are making a giant wreath. I'm on a mission to find some boughs to put this wreath together. I have a little bit of some decorations for it and we'll see what happens. I'm excited. I love adventures. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're almost ready to leave. I got some tools. So Jeffrey gave me these snippers for smaller branches, so we'll use those for sure. And he gave me this bad boy. It's like a saw blade, and I just don't know if I need to go that in depth into chopping down big wood, but that's okay. I brought them just in case. I'm gonna go try to find some trees to take their limbs, their baby limbs. I will see you when we get there. It's a beautiful day out today. The temperature is 27 degrees Fahrenheit. Can't complain. We're here to the first spot we're gonna try. I did a little bit of research. It looks like we need balsam fir or spruce. Spruce doesn't smell as good, I guess. I kind of know what I'm looking for. They're the short needles that are dark green on the top side and lighter on the bottom side. And let's go check it out, see what we can find. Hey, we're just getting onto the trail. And you can see behind me, I'm thinking I'll go that way just because I know it better. So here we go. So I think that these are the spruce. The reason I think these are the spruce is because these are kind of flat. How the needles come out kind of just like this and not in a circle. And I think that the balsam, and I don't know for sure, but I think that the balsam are going to be more full and round and less flat. So the needles will come out all around instead of just on the end, on the sides. But I'm not 100% sure. So we have, at least, we know there's some here. But I'm going to keep going in further in hopes to find better ones. So I think I just found the mother lode. So the spot I'm in right now is pretty open and you can see quite a ways. And then you see that line of green behind it. I think that's where we're going to go. So I see nice and open, whoops, right here. And then that wall of green. That's what I've been looking for. So it didn't take very long. Let's go check them out and see if they're good. These are not what we're looking for. These are the kind that don't last very long. They don't have that scent to them. So we know to steer clear of those. But over here, looks like we might have what we need. These guys, and there's tons of them. Yay! All right, we're ready. Ooh, this guy. And this guy. This whole one. Now I'm just gonna collect them up and keep going. So I think I found what I thought I wanted, and see how these are more round, and the needles come out of all the way around the edges of them, but they look kind of weird to me, and I don't want to get the wrong ones. So I think I'm gonna stick with these guys that have the little buds on the ends, because that was definitely in the picture that I saw. So I'm just gonna stick with these guys. I feel like they're a safer bet. So I'm gonna go with these, and I'm glad I saw the other ones because I wasn't quite sure. I'm no expert at this whole like identifying tree thing, so. Oh my gosh, so I really have no idea what I'm doing, but I just found another one, and this one really looks like the balsam fir. Or maybe it looks different. I'll show you. This one has the needles all the way down the whole thing, but maybe this is the spruce. Maybe this is the spruce, because I didn't see the spruce online. I'll have to do some more research. At least I have some footage of them and I can let you know for sure. Because they said flat needles, and that's the ones that I got. Those are the ones that I got. And this one's more sharp, kind of like thin, pokey. Sorry, my face is like right in there. Yeah, I think I'm doing good. Fingers crossed. Either way, I'm outside. I'm happy. Gotta keep going though. No more breaks. Also, I meant to grab gloves, but my hands are sappy. They're gonna be sticky by the time I get home, but oh well. At least I'll smell good. I smell so fresh. Like the pine trees in the wilderness. This is just a small sidetrack here real quick, but I don't know if anybody else struggles with this issue, and I know you do, because girls, like women's clothing, the pockets are impossible. You can't use them for anything. So I've got this knife, like the big saw, in this pocket, and I had to zip it just to hold it to stay in. And then I have my clippers, which didn't fit in that pocket with the other saw blade thing. So as a way to get around this issue, I have found the perfect spot for it, and it's easy access, and it doesn't seem to be bothering me yet. I'll show you right now. So I just stuck it in my boot. It's like the perfect little pocket for my clippers. I'm sure my pants will get a little sappy, but that's what these jeans are for, whatever. I feel like a genius. People have probably done this before, I'm sure. Maybe not. Okay, so I just put them in my trunk, and it doesn't seem like it's gonna be enough. I think I might go back out and get some more. Just a few more. Somebody told me once that when you're making a wreath, you want to use the more smaller pieces instead of fewer of the large ones. So when you're cutting your little limbs, it's okay to just get small pieces. They're easier to manage, easier to cut, because you're gonna want smaller pieces anyways. So if that helps at all. I think I found another good spot. I'm gonna grab some more. I had no idea there were so many different types of green trees in the woods. Look at this one, it's even different. These are a lot shorter needles, and they're really flat, and they're almost like a surfboard shape, where the other ones are long and lean. So ugh. I hope I'm getting the right ones. I'll show you these ones as well. Okay, I think we got enough. I'm headed back to the car and got another stack. We should be ready to rock and roll. I will see you back at the house.